Take 25. Okay, so today we're going to make a chicken satay curry, but we're going to use cashews instead of peanuts. What? Yeah, cashews. So let's give it a go. Hello, welcome to the world of a satay curry made with cashews. It's the future, I'm telling you. I've got 2 pans on the go. This one I'm going to cook my onions, and this one I'm going to cook the chicken. Let's do it. Fine. And I'm going to put a couple of turns of salt, fry them for about 5 minutes or so. So in this other pan, I'm going to put my chicken in. Amelia, if you're watching, yes, I made sure everything, my hands are washed and everything is clean. You've got to be a bit careful with the old chicken. If you've only got 1 pan, of course, you could just fry the chicken first, clean the pan out, and then do the onions next. What wine should we drink with this? I had a bit of a, I don't know, really had to think about this because it's chicken, but it's curry as well. We've got this Portuguese Douro Doc, and it's, even though it's a red wine, it's going to go well. So I'll go Portuguese, red wine, Douro Doc if you've got it. Okay, I'm going to add my ginger, which I've cut julienne style, which I think is a bit of a weird name because there's actually a guy at work called Julian. So I've got my ginger, I've got my garlic, and I've got my two chilies in there. Now I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of medium curry powder. Okay, that's been cooking for about a minute or 2. I'm going to add my chicken now. Add a tin of chopped tomatoes, a tablespoon of castor sugar in here, and even though we've already cooked that chicken, we're going to let it simmer for another 15 minutes. Okay, we are nearly done, but we still have to make the satay part of it. So get a bag of cashews and put it in a food blender, mixer, whatever you want to call it. So there's 150 grams in there. Okay, and I've got 150 grams of natural yogurt I'm going to pop in here now. Put a couple of teaspoonfuls of fish sauce in here. If you haven't got any, don't worry, it'll just lift it if you do. And we'll be serving the cashew curry with a flatbread, and we're going to garnish it with